Hello, welcome to Rosemondar YouTube channel. Today we are learning the German alphabet. The German alphabet is similar to the English alphabet, but pronunciations are different. Let us begin. A Apfel. A Apfel. B Banana. B Banana. C Couch. C Couch. D Delphine. D Delphine. A Elephant. A Elephant. F Fox. F Fox. G Giraffe. G Giraffe. H Hund. H Hund. E Eagle. E Eagle. Yacht Yogurt. Yacht Yogurt. Ka Katze. Ka Katze. L Luhe. L Luhe. M Mouse. M Mouse. N Nilpferd. N Nilpferd. O Orange. O Orange. P Penguin. P Penguin. Q Koala. Q Koala. R Osse. R Osse. S Sonne. S Sonne. T Tiger. T Tiger. U Uhr. U Uhr. V Vogel. V Vogel. W Wolke. W Wolke. X xylophone, x, xylophone, epsilon, yacht, epsilon, yacht, set, zebra, set, zebra, a bear, a bear, woo, wool, woo, wool, you, grew her, you, grew her, etc, fuss, etc, fuss. Let us summarize. A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, U, U, etc. German alphabet has 30 characters. No any letter begins with S set. Letter J sounds like Y. Letter V sounds like F. Letter V sounds like V. Please subscribe the channel. Danke. Auf Wiedersehen.